You're the most lovable person I've ever known.
If you're a bird, I'm a bird, brother.
She didn't make it. Izzy didn't make it.
She believed in angels and fate, in an order of things.
I love you, brother. You are such a bitch for leaving before I could tell you that.
How am I supposed to do this without you? This party sucks without you. Call me.
Izzy?
Okay, so this random girl has been leaving voicemails on my new work cell, and they're for her sister. And they're like kinda hilarious.
I have this stupid fantasy that someone's gonna come and sit down next to me like a Meg Ryan, and we start talking about our days and the weather.
Sorry, is this seat taken?
We lock eyes and it happens, we just know.
I'm Wes.
I'm Jill. And I'm boy sober.
Oh. I am girl sober, so I will not make out with you. Even if you beg me, I won't do it. Scout's honor. I'll tell you what, I'm here for 2 weeks. Why don't we try to crack this SF nut together?
You're the one that flew to another city for this role.
I guess the Scouts have no honor, huh?
It's a good thing I wasn't a Boy Scout. That sometimes life rigs things in our favor.
Wait, you didn't tell us what happened with the voicemails.
Wes, what did you hear?
I knew that this was too good to be true, that it was too
Jill.
perfect, that I was too happy, and I'm not that lucky.
I was gonna tell you.
I don't need a man. What I need is my little sister back.
You don't ever peek.
I think she's had enough of me peeking into her life. I saw your food truck was popping off. I'm so proud of you. She had no filter to speak of. Her cheeks they're always full of food like a sexy chipmunk. And her laughs.
It's okay if you're scared, I'm right there with you. Feel that? That's me, brother. Get out there.
You make me feel brave. I love you. In a very uncool, desperate, all-consuming kind of way, but it wasn't from the moment that I saw you, it was before then.
So proud of you. And I wanted to tell you not to worry about me, okay? I'm gonna be all right.
You make me feel everything. I know that you don't need a man, Jill. But I sure as hell need you. Hey, Isabelle. I know that I can never replace you, but I promise to partake in all the Robin dance parties. If there's any way that you could just, like, give me a sign.
I love you, Isabelle.
I am sorry I never got to meet you. I always wanted a little sister.
This West kid. I think he's a bird like us.